Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your headphones SOUNDCORE Q20i to the application. So firstly we should pairing it with a phone, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, or connected devices if you have Android, and if you have Android also click Pair New Device. After that press and hold Power button to turn on your headphones, and it should enter to pairing mode automatically. But if it doesn't, just press 2 times on the Power button. Here we go, now click on it at the device list. And then hide the settings. Open the application and click Add Device. Click on the headphones. And now on your headphones here. Got it. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.